Excellencies, Dr. Adesine, Akinwumi, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to personally take part in this ceremony to mark the start of Dr. Adesine's second term as president of our bank, the African Development Bank. He has led the bank with integrity and purpose for the past 5 years, with the signature initiatives on agriculture, energy, infrastructure, education, and of course, digitalization, which links all of them up. The next 5 years promise to be even more noteworthy. Dr. Adesine, you have our full support as you continue to lead the African Development Bank through this COVID-19 period marked by turmoil, but also the prospect of a new opportunity for our continent. The African Development Bank has played a key role in ensuring that Africa's interests are reflected in the international agenda during this crisis. For this, we are appreciative. My brother, I wish the best of luck to you and your family in the years ahead. I thank you and congratulations once again.